Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to initialize and format a new hard drive on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to power on your system unit and allow Windows 11 to fully load. This ensures that all system processes are running properly and that Windows can detect any new hardware you've installed. Give it a moment to reach your desktop screen before moving forward, as rushing this step might cause detection issues with your new drive. Once your PC is completely loaded and ready to go, it's time to access the tool you'll need for this process. Navigate to your Start menu, which is the Windows icon you'll find in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Instead of left-clicking like usual, right-click on the Start menu icon. This brings up a context menu with several administrative options. From this list, locate and click on Disk Management. This is Windows' built-in utility for managing all your storage devices, and it's exactly what you need to get your new hard drive up and running. After Disk Management opens, you'll see a visual representation of all your drives. Look carefully through the interface until you locate the section labeled Unallocated Volume. This is your new hard drive that hasn't been set up yet, which is why it appears as unallocated. Right-click on this unallocated volume, and a context menu will pop up with various options. From this list, click on New Simple Volume. This action begins the initialization process for your new hard drive, preparing it to store data on your Windows PC. A volume wizard will now appear on your screen to guide you through the setup. This wizard breaks down the process into manageable steps, making it straightforward even if you're new to this. Start by clicking on Next to begin the configuration process. The first thing you'll need to do is set the volume or size of this new hard drive. You'll see a field where you can enter the numerical value in megabytes. If you want to use the entire drive, the maximum value will already be filled in for you. Enter your desired size and click Next to continue. For the next step, you'll need to select which drive letter you want to assign to this new hard drive. This is the letter that will appear in File Explorer when you access the drive, like D:, E:, or any available letter. Click on the drop-down menu to see your options and select the letter you prefer. Once you've made your choice, click Next to move forward. Now comes the formatting stage, which is crucial for preparing the drive to work with Windows. You'll see several options here, but the most important one is the file system. Make sure to select NTFS from the File System drop-down menu. NTFS is the standard file system for Windows and provides the best compatibility, security, and performance for your new drive. After selecting NTFS, click Next to proceed. At this point, a summary screen will appear showing all the settings and configurations you've chosen. Take a moment to read through everything carefully to ensure all your selections are correct. This is your last chance to review before the changes are applied. If everything looks good, click Finish to complete the process. Windows will now initialize and format your new hard drive based on all the settings you've configured. And that's it. Your new hard drive is now initialized, formatted, and ready to use on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.